Hello everyone, welcome to my today's session regarding the TCS NQT 2026 hiring for the B.Sc BCA candidates. If you're a 2026 pass out and if you have done your degree in BCA or B.Sc or any another graduation, so why you are waiting for? Okay, so please grab this opportunity. So let's come to our today's session. So basically this is a website through which you can make your registration. I hope this website is everywhere spread on the social media on LinkedIn, and might be you have already received this website on your WhatsApp as well. So the registration ends on 22nd July 2026, and the test timing is 26 August. So very few days are remaining for your registration. So guys, in these few days you have to make yourself registered and you have to start preparation of this online assessment. Okay, so this is a hiring for BSc students or BCA students from background IT, computer science, maths, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics. All the branches are covered here, even including the BE vocational and CSIT from the batch 2026. So why you are waiting for? Okay, so just go through the website. Here already the next step portal link is given by the TCS. So go through this link. Okay, click on it and make yourself registered. So once you click on registered now, this website will be open. There are two sectors you can see, IT and BPS. So if you are a BSc BCA candidates, definitely go for the IT sector and click on it and go for the continue. Here you have to enter your email address on which you will receive all the TCS email. So you should have the access of this email ID, and make sure that it is a valid email ID so that you can send and receive email on it. So once you enter this email ID, you have to request for OTP, and the TCS will share you an OTP. So once you submit here the OTP, the next process is for they will ask you for your Aadhaar card last four digits, then your first name, last name, middle name, and you have to give your authentication that this all the data that you have submitted is correct. Then once you click the next step, it will shows you that your account is created, you registered on the TCS portal, and this window will open for you. Once you logged in with your email ID, captcha, and the OTP, you will come to this page. Okay, so now when you come to the home page of this TCS Next Step portal, you have to complete your application form. That is a big form and it is mandatory for all the students. Okay, so you have to go through the process. Okay, application form will require your personal details, your academic score, if you have any employment opportunity in previous, if you have done an internship, so you have to add the details there, your passport, your PAN card, then your academic projects. If you have done any certifications you have done, so you have to fill all the informations along with your passport size photograph, your updated resume. Make sure that many students are making hurry in this uploading resume, because what happened, once you upload the resume you can't change it, and along with this resume whatever information you have uploaded, based on that resume only the interviewer will conduct your examination. So be careful while uploading your resume. There are some categories as well that you have to read carefully and then you have to submit. Okay, and the main important process here is apply for drive button. Okay, so once you apply for drive, you have to select the preferred location where you want to go. The next thing that we can see here, okay, what is the test pattern? Okay, once you applied, once you complete your form, you may download your application form which maybe you required at the time of your online assessment. On the basis of your that registration, you will receive the hall ticket email from TCS, and based on your test location and your slot, exam slot, you have to present there. Okay, for that you have to do some preparations as well. Okay, so the test assessment timing is for 120 minutes and it is divided into four different sections, that is a numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning and coding. Okay, so here is a sample question paper is also given by TCS. So guys, please go through it because many students are no, they are making hurry and they don't read any kind of information and they are just saying that we don't crack the test. Okay, but your efforts are also matter. Take here the total test, the whole test is MCQ type. Okay, near about 51 questions are there, 120 minutes are there. Okay, and in 50 MCQ and one is your programming hands-on question. Okay, so for that you can use any language, programming language to solve that code like C, C++, Java, Python. It's depend upon you. There is no negative mark system, so you can attend all the questions. So verbal ability, you can see all the questions regarding your grammar, then your comprehensions. Okay, the reading comprehensions are there. Then next you can see a numerical ability section is there where you have to attend all the mathematics kinds of question. I will let you know what are the topics and which are the platforms that you can use here. So reasoning ability is also so where logical reasoning questions are asked by them. You can see all the 50 questions here and the last is your programming code. Okay, so where a case study is a problem statement is given to you and using that you have to give your answer. Okay, I think up to this all of you are clear. Okay, so I will show you the roadmap how you can prepare for this TCS examination. Guys, eligibility might be, you know that. Okay, minimum percentage 50 percentage are required throughout the all semester, means even including your 10th 12th diploma graduation. Okay, no pending backlog is allowed. There should be no gap more than 24 months. Okay, so you have to take care of all these things. Otherwise, you will ask the question, ma'am, I'm eligible candidate. Still, my hall ticket is not generated. See, guys, they are verifying all each and every mark section while you register yourself. So do not make a hurry for registration. Okay, do it wisely. Take a help of different resources for your registration. So I will talk about few NQT your examination tips. I'm giving you some tips how you can prepare for this. So guys, okay, so you can make a 5 week. It's 3rd July today, and your examination in the month of August. So I think there are about 35-40 days are there in your hand. So how you can utilize your these days? Okay, do not waste your time because this is a very crucial opportunity open for all the graduates. And I think that everyone use your time properly, schedule it properly. So you will definitely grab this opportunity. So in week 1, you have to complete your basics. In week 2, you have to work on your advanced aptitude. In week 3, you have to work on your reasoning and verbal abilities. In week 4, you have to give for your technical. And week 5, you have to work on your coding. And last few days, you have to go with the revision and some mock test. Okay. So from week 1, from day 1 to day 7, you have to use the timing as per the topic. So you have already checked the exam pattern, what type of pattern it is. It is an online type of exam. You have to attend the exam only from the TCS center. You cannot give the test remotely. Okay, so you can see there are quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and technical, four sections we have seen. So you have to prepare yourself for all these sections. So the number system is a very important topic. Then percentage, profit and loss, ratio, average, time and work. give a single day for each topic. At least go through 30-40 example of each topic, and you will definitely learn. So basically you have to do a self study. Without that you can't take this opportunity. I can show you one website, okay, through which also you can do your study. Just a second. Okay, there are lot many websites are there. You can start your aptitude studies. Like if suppose you can go with the careerright.com, so you can learn number systems from here. Even this is a pre-insta website on which as well you can learn your study. Then see, you can see the online, all the topics are there. Okay, you have to just go through the topic. It's all formulas are given there. So questions, formulas, everything is given there. Okay, but the thing is that topic wise you have to start working. Okay, the same thing you have to do with the percentage, profit and loss ratio, average time and work. So make that you will complete your goal for the week one, and you will learn all these topics. Any question will come to you from this topic and you can solid. हर बार जय बालाजी नहीं काम करता है, right? So your efforts are matter. Then for week 2, between 8 to 14 days, you have to work on these kinds of topics. I have made this PPT in very hurry, so I hope you understood the importance of this topic. Time, speed, distance, simple and compound interest, then mixture and allegation, permutation, combination, probability, and data interpretation questions are also there in the test. And then you need to solve the mock test of all these topics. Okay, but make sure that time, speed, distance you have to learn carefully with all the short tricks and tips. You can find out on all the websites, and even on YouTube as well you can find out lot many videos about this all the topics. But make sure this topic should be perfect, right? Then for week 3 you should go with the logical reasoning kind of questions. Okay, then coding, decoding, blood relations, sitting arrangement, syllogisms are there, puzzles are there, uh, this type of questions they might be asked you. So you have to prepare yourself for that. And week 4 you have to utilize for your technical study that covers your the concepts of basic concepts of C, oops concepts. Many of the companies are asking you interview question on oops, so never leave this concept or never ignore these kinds of questions. Then data structure is the important role in software development industry, so you have to obviously work on it. Then DBMS, operating system, the concepts of computer network, SQL, these all matter very much. So in week 4 you have to make study of all these technologies. There are lot many online tests are available on these platforms, and even on the YouTube as well you can clear your all doubts. So week 5 you have to give some more time to the advanced technical, like array is there, string, function, sorting, recursion. See guys, if you are study these all technical topics, so it will be definitely helpful for your interview purpose as well. Not only TCS, but if you try for the another company, so then there as well you can use this knowledge. So learn it with your basic clear understanding how and where it will be used in the software industry. Okay, learn the examples, that real life examples, how you can understand it or how you can use it in your projects. Okay, so I hope that this will be really useful for your examination as well and for your interview purpose as well. Okay, so the final week you have to, final last 5 days you have to do some mock test, you have to give some mock test, you have to revise the topic, prepare yourself for the interview, prepare your resume properly, that you have study your resume properly, that you have uploaded on the next step portal, and you have to do your final interview preparation. These are the basic resources that I can recommend you for this TCS study, that India Gigs, then Gigs for Gigs is there, Insta is there, then TCS IN is there, Hacker Rank, Lit Code for the technical coding practices. I must suggest all the candidates do your practice regularly on Lit Code. Practice it daily, analyze yourself, check your results daily, how much score you are getting. Okay, be honest with yourself. If you will honest with yourself, so definitely success is yours. I think I have covered all the things that is required for this. If you have any doubt, please reach out to me, to my LinkedIn or on my YouTube channel. You can DM me. Thank you so much, everyone.